Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I basically customized this gorgeous unit from WIGS hair. And as you guys know, I work with this company once a month, so I have gotten a lot of hair bundle deals and wigs from them. This in particular is a water wave wig. Now usually when I do bobs, I kind of try to stick with deep wave, but this time I was like, I'm gonna try to switch it up and do sort of a water wave wig. So I did get this water wave wig from them, and shipping of course is always about 3 days via DHL, so I had no problem with that. And I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna let you guys just see the wig. The customization and everything, there's 3 combs and adjustable straps. My son is in the back, so sorry about that, but you guys already know he's crazy, and I plan on showing you guys sort of an update with him. He is a character. So anyways, I'm just gonna get into this tutorial. I don't want to prolong the video, but yes, this is super easy and it's super affordable, so if you are on a budget, sis, they got you covered. But I'm just gonna tell you guys how I did everything, and that's gonna be that. Any questions, leave below. As always, thank you to WIGS Hair for sending me this gorgeous unit, and links will be in the description for those interested. Now let's hop into this video.
me.